Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right access, because without admin or feature-enable rights you can't continue. Once confirmed, update the app to the latest release and back up your settings. This prevents data loss. Next, open Settings and find the AI Overview toggle or the Experiment Flags panel. Tap to enable the feature and grant any requested permissions. If prompted, accept data sharing preferences. These allow summary models to run. Proceed only after each step shows success. Once done, configure the AI Overview details so outputs match your needs. You select a model level, lightweight for speed, advanced for depth, and choose the data scope, whole account project, or a custom filter. Then, set privacy and retention policies. Shorter retention reduces risk, longer gives more context. Make sure to map roles that can view summaries and set notification cadence so you aren't overwhelmed. Finally, run an initial scan to generate a baseline overview and review results To finish, validate that the AI Overview produces useful summaries by comparing a few outputs to the original data. This step ensures you tuned settings correctly. If the feature doesn't appear, clear the app cache, sign out, and restart the app. Often a simple refresh resolves state issues. Make sure permissions persist across devices. If problems continue, export logs and contact support with timestamps and error messages. One key tip: replicate the issue on a test account before major changes so you don't disrupt production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.